Greetings everyone. Today we are going to present labor and fuel costs with Boğaçan Şeker. So let's look at the first slide. The introduction. Let's look at the specific cost of airlines, labor and fuel expenses. And then let's look at the impact of the cost on fuels, full service carriers and low cost carriers. Lastly, we have the strategies which are cost cutting, efficiency, optimization, innovation, and streamlining. Let's look at the other slide. If you look at the labor, fuel, and operating cost of our airlines, which are the full service carriers, KLM and Finnair, as we can clearly see, KLM is spending more money on operating costs, and Finnair is spending less money comparing to the KLM. Let's look at the other slide. Labor, fuel, and operating cost of our airlines, which are low-cost carriers, AirAsia and JetBlue. JetBlue is spending more money on operating cost, which is like slightly more than the AirAsia's operating cost, and JetBlue is spending also more money in labor as we compare to the AirAsia, just 6 times more. And finally, labor cost and fuel cost as percentages of total operating costs. We are looking at the big picture. JetBlue and Finnair is the most money spenders on the total operating cost. After Finnair and JetBlue, the spenders are JetBlue labor, KLM labor, KLM fuel costs, and the least money spender is AirAsia labor. Now it's Boğaç's presentation.
When we examine 2 ways to reduce labor costs, automation and technology implementation, and remote working and implementation of flexibility, reducing labor costs can also help airlines because technology can reduce the workload of workers. In this slide, these 2 items help airlines reduce fuel costs because optimized routes have fewer problems and fuel costs can be significantly reduced thanks to fuel efficient vehicles. Potential savings, airlines can save 1% of the total expenses in each category if they have an impact on 1% of both labor and fuel cost. For example, if airlines save 1% on labor and fuel cost, as shown in the screen, the total potential saving will be 145,300 euros. In the last slide, in this way, with the saving of 145,300 euros, airlines will be able to achieve the employee training and development. They can strengthen components such as technology upgrades, marketing, and promotion. In the next slides, here are sources. That's it. Thank
you all for listening.